I bring. Red rhythm soon gonna overtake you. Rhymes in revolt, tunes with a jolt. Swing music's here to awake you, shake you. On every dancing floor has broken out a rhythm war. Hot music's hot no more. You gotta have swing. It wakes your slumbers up, makes you give those rumbers up. Hot rumbers, numbers up. You gotta have swing. TNT in each beat. Soon you're feeling your feet. No romancing, it has you dancing on the string. Swing-a-ling. If you want fun like us, step with pep without a fuss. If you want rhythm plus, you gotta have swing.
This is a bit of all right. Shan't get home until after midnight. Film stars? There's too much fuss made of them, I says. Money for nothing.
Money for you and money for me, my lad, and don't you forget it. I'm putting some money by to have our kiddie trained. Make a sky sign of her name one of these days. And mine too. Blimey, I never realised that. Film stars, certs every time.
Billy, what do you think of this? Oh, heavens, Delvago's eloped again. What are we going to do? We can't let the public down. We won't. I've got an idea. Where's the phone? Stage door. But what are you going to do? You'll soon find out.
Delvago's not coming.
I said, did you see Jean?
Delvago's not coming.
What?
Delvago's not coming.
Well, there's another show gone western. I think it's a shame. I mean,
Someone to see you, sir.
What a rush. But we're here.
That's fine. Now run along to room number 4 and the dresser will fix you up. I'll see you later to explain. You've just 3/4 of an hour before you're off.
My, but you do look lovely. You certainly do. Now do keep still, Jessie, be good.
Miracles sometimes happen, impossible things come true, but miracles only happen to just a few. Out of a million others, Providence picked on me, and love's magical spell started its weaving. Miracles sometimes happen, but miracles such as this are more than a 9 days wonder. For with your kiss, you held me enchanted. Love in my heart was planted. There never has been a miracle just like you.
I know you'll be a success tonight, Jessie.
I do hope so. Miracles sometimes happen.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm afraid I have an apology. That most glamorous of film stars, Rita Del Vago, is not here. She's alone. And so I'm taking this opportunity of presenting our own star, Baby Jessie, who will impersonate some of your favorites of the screen. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cecily, Courtneidge. Things are looking up. Better every day. Things are getting better, better, better every day. And now, Zasu picks. Oh dear, oh dear. Well there, oh Elmer, I feel so sick. Oh dear, gee whiz, oh dear. It's Colossus. Hatcha. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you, if you know or a banana. And now, a slight impression of Ronald Frankau. Here are one or two of the songs which made the BBC famous. Music by Monty Crick.
Words by myself.
Ah, there you are.
Yes. Yes, this is me.
Come down on the stage.
Oh, no, I'm far too shy.
If you don't come down, I'll fetch you down.
Of course, now I'm terrified. Hello.
Hello. Do your stuff.
I will do my stuff. As a matter of fact, if I'm going to sing, the crooner the better. Oh, that reminds me, I've got a special song I've written for a special type of crooner. I think he's called a silly Billy, or a hilly Billy, or something. And he's a fellow, as a rule, little fellow, who has very high shoulders and a small waist, and he lives in the suburbs somewhere, and he likes to have something very masculine and virile for his fiver voice. I call it a fiver voice because it's only a half a tenor. And so I've written a special song for this chap, because he likes you to think, when you're listening to him over the air, that he has hairy trousers and chest, and is a sort of cowboy waller. And so the first 4 lines I've written are, give me a Mustang and rifle, 200 rounds in my belt, take me from cities that stifle to a trail on the lonely veldt. A Mustang being sort of GG on the prairie, you know. And then I decided that he ought to have some of his disgusting noises to sing. So I wrote ha-cha-cha, poo-poo-poo. Sounds like a Chinese pudding, or the result of a Chinese pudding. And then to rhyme with that, I'll be happy when the sun gets through. That's an elemental cliche which appears in all these songs. And then, where is my girl with the chestnut hair? I reckon that baby she ain't anywhere. That's Brixton American. And And then the last card has been dealt, which has nothing to do with the song at all. I finished the chorus softly with felt. Then I wrote the verse, short, snappy, and animal. The cry of the steer is ever near, I must go. Those 3 words, I must go, are the 3 most popular words that any crooner can sing ever, anywhere. Then the whinnies of G's, they's calling me's, that's strong Western stuff, finishing up with a Japanese pudding, vo dio. Well, I must have a microphone if I'm going to be at all like a crooner, because without a microphone he's as inaudible as he is invisible, I'm glad to say. So, here's the microphone.
You better look like a crooner too.
All right, I'll look like a crooner too, or like some dance band leaders. This is Jock Mackay. I'm going to sing you a little song of mine, a new British song called Give Me a Mustang and Rifle, written by a British composer, Herr von Steinsky-Blunski. We're broadcasting to you from the Ritz Wapping. Let it go, boys. The cry of the steer is ever near. I must go. The whinnies of G's, they's calling me's. Vo-dio, give me a Mustang and rifle, 200 rounds in me belt. Take me from cities that stifle to a trail on the lonely veldt. Ha-cha-cha, poo-poo-poo-poo. I'll be happy when the sun gets through. But where is my girl with the chestnut hair? I reckon that baby, she ain't anywhere, for the last card has been dealt. Oh, give me a Mustang and rifle and a trail on the lonely veldt. What?
I want the microphone.
Yorkraphone. Right, you're on. There it is.
Thank you, Uncle Ronald.
That's all right, Mother.
Is it true what they say about Dixie? Does the sun really shine all the time? Do sweet magnolias blossom and everybody's star? Do folks keep eating possums till they can't eat no more? Is it true what they say about Swanee? Is it dream by that stream so sublime? Do they laugh? Do they don't? Like they say in Lazarus' song, if it's true, that's where I belong.